By far, the biggest mistake that beginner entrepreneurs are guilty of is planning and thinking too much, trying to think about things too much. I've been running my software development agency the past 4.5 years, and I still suffer from this issue many times. Just recently, I was on a call with a group of 8 other entrepreneurs, and we're all kind of building up our businesses. And I made everybody last week put a goal that they were going to try and do. Do you know how many people out of 8 actually did it? It was 2. 2 people showed up with the goal that they said that they were going to do. And the thing is, half the people showed up saying, oh, I did like half of it. And then some people were saying, I changed my goal along the week because I learned some new information. These are valid reasons. At the end of the day, business changes and so forth. But it speaks to this fact, which is by far the biggest blocker, is that most people will make a plan and then change the fucking plan before they've even tried it or given it a shot. And by the way, this wasn't even like a 90-day plan. Like not even for a week, people could stick to the plan that they thought of doing. It was a really stark kind of live way to watch it happen. I know that I've been through it many times, and I made my own goal, and I made sure to show up to the meeting with my goals done because I had gotten everybody else to do it. I myself was one of the 2 people, but I know how many times I have not done it. It's a really big goal of mine this year to try and be more disciplined about ignoring distractions, because most people's plans don't fail because they're not disciplined or they don't work enough or anything like that. It's because they're too distracted. They are too easily distracted, and their inability to say no to the other options is often too big. And they get so caught up in thinking and ruminating and planning things that they don't actually do the thing that they were going to plan. They just end up changing the plan again and again. The work they've done just changing a plan. I think it is by far the biggest mistake that beginner entrepreneurs struggle with. They try to do something strategic. They try to do something that makes sense. They try to optimize things, and it doesn't get them very far because they just don't do enough in the first place. Like they're optimizing things that they're not even doing. I've caught myself doing this so many times, especially when it came to like posting content or trying to do outbound lead gen. I remember a couple times that I've tried to set up cold email campaigns. I would get so caught up in trying to write the perfect campaign that I wouldn't even start the damn campaign. It took me 2 weeks. It is substantially worse to overplan something and then never get it done, or just get it done way later than it needed to be, than to underplan something. And, it doesn't matter that it's missing a bunch of bits and pieces, but you got it out there and actually you moved the needle in one way or another. This thought was with me today because I had some personal things that weren't very great, and I spent far too long of my day wasting away, ruminating and trying to think my way out of it. When the truth is, there's no answer which will come to me magically out of thinking. It's not to discourage some level of reflection through journaling and so forth, but I think people overdo it. You have to be very intentional about it, which is like, what are you fundamentally trying to come out of here? Because oftentimes we just use it as a way to procrastinate what we actually need to do. And I can say this for myself today. I think I was definitely procrastinating. I was being lazy. And so I just would rather stay in my own head than actually go and do something. And this is a very common difficulty a lot of founders face. Just be wary of this fact. It will save you immense time and money, by the way, if you can save yourself from the distractions of constantly changing your plans, constantly reallocating your resources. I am 4 years into my business, and I could have made way faster progress had I done a few things differently. And one of them would definitely be planning less and doing more. As founders, sometimes we think that we got to be smart about it and we have to be super strategic. The reality is you have to go out and provide value and speak about providing value. And this will get you a business of some sort. Planning it and telling yourself that the competition is going to do this or that, that's not building a business. That's planning, that's ruminating. And that's where most people die. I think there's some great statistics around this, which is that most startups don't die, by murder from their competition or whatever. Most companies die out of some kind of paralysis, right? They just stop moving and then they die out. If you don't let that happen to you, you'll keep making progress bit by bit, inch by inch. You will keep moving forward. And I think that's worthwhile. For the time being, I'm going to wrap this up and leave it there. I hope this thought is a helpful reminder to those of you who are trying to get an operation off the ground. I'd love to hear any questions you have, anything you want to leave in the comments, please do. Thanks for watching.